What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick look at Gala Games continuing to consolidate, sitting at 0.04296, down 3% on the day. Market cap 1.34 billion, 24-hour volume 163 million. So we're continuing to consolidate within the wedge. We got rejected by the upper resistance. If we come down, you don't want to see us break that wave too low, or things can get more bearish. If this is a leading diagonal, but it's super ugly. If it breaks, it means we're still going through the correction. Wedges are continuation patterns, so we have been in a downtrend correcting. This is how corrections are. They're slow, they're boring, they consolidate, they go sideways, especially in crypto. So we just have to wait for this to break. If we can break to the upside, then we can see continuation. If we lose that low, 0.04013, then we'll drop back into the 3-cent range. So this is a weekly chart. You can see that support here right about the 4-cent level. If it breaks, then your next major support here, I would drop support right here. This is the level. So that lower level's at about 0.0312, and then you would come all the way down to about 0.0228. But we're still holding the weekly EMAs. And as you can see, it looks like the bears are losing strength. So I wouldn't be surprised, even if we dip a little bit lower, that we do start to push to the upside eventually. It's just slow correction. Slow, boring, sideways consolidation. Not the best for trading, but that's how it is. All right, guys, that's what I'm looking at for Gala. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, only took 2 trades, 1 loss on Matic, 1 win on Sol. This is the only trades I've taken so far this week with the price action. But week over week, we've been doing well, not only in crypto, but as well as in Forex, crushing it in Forex every single week. Just hit TP3 on US 30 and TP1 on NAS 100. You can have completely free access to my signals with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, 10% back on your fees through my link only. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as my Forex signals. All completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. If you do not want to go to the BITUNIX route, sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.